London. The very name conjures images of iconic red phone booths, double-decker buses, and the majestic Buckingham Palace. A city steeped in history and brimming with culture, London has something to offer every traveler. However, the allure of this global metropolis can often be overshadowed by concerns about its cost. But fear not, fellow adventurers. Exploring London doesn't have to break the bank. London, with its charming neighborhoods and world-class attractions, is more accessible than you might think. It's entirely possible to experience the magic of this city on a budget without compromising on the fun. From affordable accommodations and delicious cheap eats to free attractions and savvy transportation tips, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate London like a pro, all while keeping your wallet happy. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of England's capital, where history, culture, and affordability intertwine in perfect harmony. Finding the perfect place to stay in London without overspending is easier than you might think. The city offers a variety of budget-friendly accommodation options, from hostels to budget hotels, that won't break the bank. One great option for budget travelers is Generator London. This stylish hostel boasts a prime location in the heart of London, close to many attractions. Another popular choice is YHA London Central, known for its clean and comfortable accommodations at affordable prices. For those seeking private rooms, Tune Hotels offers basic yet functional rooms at budget-friendly rates. Don't forget to book your stay during the off-peak season, generally fall and winter, for even better deals. Traveling during these less crowded times can save you a considerable amount on accommodation. London's culinary scene is incredibly diverse and surprisingly affordable if you know where to look. Forget fancy restaurants. Some of the best and most budget-friendly meals can be found in the city's vibrant markets and casual eateries. For a true taste of London's multicultural flavors, head to Borough Market. This historic food market offers a wide array of delicious and affordable street food, from gourmet burgers to aromatic curries. Another great option is Camden Market, known for its eclectic mix of food stalls selling everything from vegan wraps to juicy falafel pitas. If a hearty English breakfast is what you crave, the Breakfast Club is a must-visit, serving up generous portions at reasonable prices. For a taste of Italy without breaking the bank, Franco Manca is your go-to spot for delicious sourdough pizzas. And don't underestimate the value of grocery store meal deals. They're a lifesaver for budget travelers looking for quick and affordable lunches on the go. Section 4. Free and Fabulous. Exploring London's gems without spending a pound. One of the best things about London is that many of its most iconic attractions are completely free to visit. Immerse yourself in history and culture without spending a dime at these world-renowned landmarks. Start your exploration at the British Museum, home to a vast collection of artifacts from around the world, including the Rosetta Stone and Egyptian mummies. Next, wander through the sprawling greenery of Hyde Park, London's iconic urban oasis, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing picnic. Witness the time-honored tradition of the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace, a spectacle that never fails to impress. For a breathtaking view of the city skyline, head to the Sky Garden, a stunning indoor garden located atop a skyscraper. And don't forget to embark on a free walking tour, a fantastic way to discover hidden gems and learn fascinating stories about the city from knowledgeable locals. Section 5. Navigating the city on a budget, transportation tips and tricks. Getting around London affordably is easy with its efficient and extensive public transportation system. Forget expensive taxis. Embrace the city's buses, tubes, and even bicycles. Your first step is to get yourself an Oyster card. This rechargeable card offers significant discounts on all forms of public transportation, including the iconic red buses and the Underground Tube. Buses are a great way to see the city while you travel, and they're generally cheaper than the tube. Consider renting a bicycle through the city's bike-sharing program, Santander Cycles, for a fun and active way to explore. And don't underestimate the power of walking. London is a very walkable city, and exploring on foot allows you to discover hidden gems and soak in the city's vibrant atmosphere at your own pace. Section 6. Souvenir hunting without the splurge budget-friendly shopping in London. Shopping in London doesn't have to mean emptying your wallet. From unique finds in bustling markets to discounted treasures in high street stores, savvy shoppers can find souvenirs and mementos without overspending. Camden Market, with its eclectic mix of stalls, is a haven for unique and affordable souvenirs, from vintage clothing and handmade jewelry to quirky home decor and artwork. Oxford Street, while known for its high street brands, also offers great discounts, especially during sale seasons. For bargain hunters, charity shops are a treasure trove of affordable secondhand clothing, books, and household items. Keep an eye out for sales and special offers, both in-store and online, to snag the best deals. And remember, haggling is common in markets, so don't be afraid to negotiate for a better price.